Two banks look the same size, but are they really the same? One bank looks huge, but size does not tell the whole story. Subscribe now, we may never meet again. Stay with me. A bank makes money by lending money to many people, but not every single loan gets paid back on time. So how do we know which bank is truly healthy? The answer is called asset quality, a bank health check. Asset quality means how good a bank's loans really are. If your friend repays you fully, that is a good loan. If your friend keeps delaying, that loan is not healthy. Bank A lent $10 billion and most loans are repaid. Bank B lent $15 billion, but many loans are struggling. Bigger is not always better if the loans are risky. Dex noticed the smaller bank actually looked much healthier inside. Analysts check for bad loans hiding inside every bank's book. Banks also save extra money in case some loans fail. This saved money is like a safety cushion for surprises. A healthy loan pile means a bank stays strong longer. Most beginners think bigger banks are automatically the safest choice. A big, shiny bank can still hide risky, unhealthy loans. A smaller bank with careful loans can be much stronger. The real lesson: size never guarantees a bank is healthy. Look past the size and study the loans underneath it. Ask yourself, how healthy is the money inside this bank? Before trusting a bank, check how many loans are troubled. Compare loan losses, not just the size of the bank. Now you know to look deeper before choosing where to trust. Choose the bank with healthier loans, not just the biggest name. A bank's size shows how big it is, nothing more. Asset quality shows how healthy that bank truly is.